Our elderly are as precious as our children, and we must learn to protect our elderly who drive. The elderly can be cautious drivers. They tend to abide by the rules of the road. They stop at stop signs, they stop at red lights, they follow most of the other rules of the road, and are by and large cautious drivers. While driving gives the elderly a sense of security and independence, it also comes with certain hazards. In 2018, nearly 7,000 elderly people died in automobile accidents. That's something that we need to protect against. Inevitably, age catches up with people, and because of people's age and the aging process, their faculties are not as sharp as they typically are in young people. Dementia, diabetes, cataracts, glaucoma, and other illnesses or ailments that affect the elderly also affect their ability to drive. Sometimes the elderly suffer strokes while behind the wheel. Sometimes they fall asleep while behind the wheel. The aging process can and will lead to more motor vehicle accidents that you have to protect against. So if you have a loved one who is elderly and shows any signs of dementia, Parkinson's, cataracts, glaucoma, or any of the other types of ailments that are associated with the aging process, you really ought to consider withholding their keys and their driver's license, because they, as I said, can and will be involved in automobile accidents. So protect your elderly loved ones and don't let them drive if you notice any deteriorating health conditions. Now, if you are involved in an accident with an elderly person, then in all likelihood, if the cause of the accident is the aging process, you probably need to contact an attorney that is experienced in handling these types of cases. So if that happens, phone Cardone and I'll be happy to give you free advice over the telephone. You can text me or email me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. We have offices in New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and Lafayette. So phone Cardone if you're involved in an accident with an elderly person, or if you want some advice on restricting the driving privileges of a loved elderly person in your family. Give me a call and I'll be happy to talk to you about it.